Okay, so my eyes might be all over the place. I just wanted to do a quick haul. I have felt inspired. Usually I only watch the Christmas decor folk, but this year, after a new move in a very picturesque, nature surrounded state, North Carolina, I felt very inspired to maybe I should decorate for the fall. So I've been slowly doing it piece by piece. I do have the sign on the wall that says gather on sort of picture or something. But I did just want to do a haul, a little mini haul update or overview. We went to Dollar Tree and my thought was, oh, I'm going to get some random garland and hang it on the very empty wall. And that didn't happen because instead we were going to Dollar Tree and we saw a bunch of things that caught our eye, me and my sister, and they were the $5 things, and the budget was small today. They were $5 things. The whole thing is, do I get one $5 thing or do I try and get other things? So we're still looking around. Eventually, we find our way to the, I guess, like the crafting section of the fall harvest decor section, whatever. And it's like, wait a minute, we could just make customizable things like this. They had some. It looked like a door, like a barn door, and when I caught my eye, said welcome, and my sister said, the welcome looks a bit busted up. I mean, eventually I did see another one that had a welcome that wasn't so busted up, but the whole thing is, wait a minute, we can make these. So first up, and they had this in black as well, but I got this um, wood plank. It's just a wood plank. It has a little pumpkin cut out. They did have some, I guess, that had been left over from summer. But they did also have this in black. I believe the black was also in a pumpkin cutout. So this was $125. Everything I'm showing is $125. One was not getting things that were more than $125 from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree hurt me when it decided to raise its price. I took it personally. Next up, I got the wreath hanger. Now, initially, I was like, okay, I will just hang this outside of the door. Now I'm not sure. Now I'm like, maybe I'll just keep this and get a wreath for the outside, and I will just maybe put this plank inside somewhere. So something that is, we'll have to see. This fantastic thing, it says Hello Autumn. Again, all these are $1.25. And then another one that said welcome, and it has a little fall cutouts on top. So again, all these $125. Now, my idea so far is the welcome goes at one angle, the Hello Autumn goes at another. And they had other cutouts. They had just leaf cutouts. They had other things that you could use instead of wood on wood. They had bows. They have little bowls with some owls on them. I might go back to them. We'll have to see. But so I'm like, why did we not immediately think when we saw the $5 one, hey, I can make that? Because usually that's the sure thing is I can make it. And not only can it's, okay, maybe you don't want to do the labor, but we are crafty people. We like to craft. So the idea is, even though I don't have the decor I wanted to fill up things immediately and immediately give a sense of fullness, I do have a project to keep me busy. So that'll keep my hands busy for a little while. So I'm very excited about this. And that's just this little mini haul. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of little trips to Dollar Tree and whatnot, because unless I'm getting something from the Michaels, where they have their 50% off fall decor right now, unless I'm getting something like on sale, so far Dollar Tree is really the place to be, apparently. I haven't really gotten any flowers yet this year, so maybe for florals, Michaels will be the place to go. I know they did have online as well and in person, but in person you couldn't find the super cheap ones. But I do have them online, but I'm just not sure about fake flowers yet. And I do want some to give a sense of abundance. I do mean to add wall sconces, wall vases, and then have them overflowing, but I don't know yet. But I'm very excited about this. I don't know if this will go out in front of the door or just on the wall somewhere on this very empty wall. give it to it. So right now, that's all that the wall has. Just the gather here with grateful hearts. That's actually a like a window decal. It has a little suction cup. I think it's supposed to go on the window. But what I did was I took a piece of some ghost string, and there's a little hole in the suction cup, and I just put it through the hole, or I tied it around the hole, around it, so it just hangs on a tack. So I didn't cut anything. It does come with little things on the side that you're supposed to cut. I just folded them over. That's how that is. It's just on the hook. You see the parts I folded over. I could cut them. I don't want to for some reason. So, and you know, I myself am a minimalist in style, but I do mean to kind of, you know, go overboard for fall. But not overboard where it's just like all these things say fall. Overboard in a very, we're transitioning into winter very, very easily way. That'll be something to see. Anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.